Hey everyone, myself Arun, and today in this video, I'm going to provide um, a quick walkthrough of this Excel file, labor allocation worksheet. So this is I just created for one of my client. So here I'm also currently working, so I'm just providing you how it is currently I'm creating. So I have used a lot of formulas, that is Sumifs, contactus, and some automation formulas where we can just provide the summary for each sheet till the December. And so this is the labor allocation sheet. Here, first on the top column, we have the project reference. So on each day, we have I think 8 project reference are there, and we have the name, the labor name here on the A column. Now each person has the normal hours as well as the OT hours. So now I have fixed that one to sum that count in the summary part here. So I created each sheet for every month. So this is how, let's say we have currently 8 projects over here. So I've created this kind of format. So this is 8, then again 8. This is for 2nd of Jan and so on till the 31st of them. So currently the highlighted portions are referring as a non-working days. So, and this one, maybe some of the employees, maybe they are leave. So I just formatted over here. It's just for testing purpose, but when we do actual marking, then definitely we can format to different cells. So I just remove that leave from here. So this is how, so there it is a sum of each. Let's say I have created for 3 days this one, and then this is allocated for 3rd of Jan as well. This person 808 or 849. And then again, I put one more employee, which is 808 here on the 4th of Jan. And let's say I have created one more employee labor here, 845 on 4th of Jan. So if we can see our total over there. And now here, this is for 808. So let me just that freeze panes. So I'm making this top row here. So for 808, 10 OT, let's say if I put one OT over here as well. So let's say if I put one OT here, now it's separated automatically. And again, say I put over here as well for this person name under the project. So in that project, 2 persons are for OT and 1 person for normal and so on. So this is I created for, this is an automation formula. And again, if we can see here in January 808, we have 2 normal hours and 2 OT hours. So this is I created using the formulas. So this is the summary which will be automatically gets created. And one more thing over here is, let's say if I put more numbers here, it will be coming over here automatically. So this summary sheet is the automatically created. Let's say if I remove, let's say if I put 999 over here, let's say for an example. So now this 99 will comes here automatically. And just I need to put the January. This is the manual part. Now 999, as you can see, this comes automatically because I created some ID. This is none of our use. But yeah, for this project, it is automatically gets come, and this sum is automatically gets here. So this is how the formulas are automated. So, and one more thing, for each and every sheet, so same activity will be happening here as well. Let's say this is for January month. Now we have February, March, April, and so on. Now, I've also created one more sheet over here, which is annually. So we just need to put the project reference here. And this one is automated. So normal hours for January, February, March, April, till the December month will be calculated automatically and puts over here. So there is no manual intervention of calculating and summing up here. Let's say if I put, because in January, as we can see, there are 2 employees for 808 project. Let's say if I put more, let's say I put 823 here. Sorry, 2 employees here and 2 over here and 2 for normal. So 4 and 2, 4 and 2. And now if I go to the employee, February month, so January, okay. So sorry, I was on January month. So we have 2 comes here and similarly 2 comes here, that is 4. And 1 comes here, 845. So this is how they all are automated. And as well as the OT hours, 823, that is 4. So in January 823, we have 2 normal and 4 OT. So 4 OT and 2 normal for 823. Here, there it is. Again, if I put the February here, February month count over here, I need to just put over the dates because they will get changed year-wise. So this is the template that I created. Let's say if I created for 851. And 2 for normal and 5 for OT. So total will be 7. Here it is. Now if I go to the annual sheet, 5 for OT and 2 for normal. So now as we have compared, this summary sheets are this annual summary is working for each and every sheet till the December month. So this is how the automation is working currently with a lot of complex formula I've used here. I've used Vlookup with indirect function, and here in this summary, I've used filter function with transpose and unique. Here I've used, this is the ID, so that's fine. Here I've used Sumifs function for normal and OT hours. Here again Sumif. So this is an automation tool which is creating the normal and OT hours allocation for each and every employee for every project perspective for each and every month sheet. So this is an automation which I just created for the labor hours. So in case you have a certain kind of work which you require for, let's say, any custom requirement, so you can just reach me out, and hopefully we can, I will note down your requirements, and we can discuss for the payment methods as well as the approximate cost you are looking for. So we can, I will definitely will work with you, and definitely we can just complete our project. It's nice talking with you. Thank you and have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.